Hello, Mai. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me well, Mai?
Yes,
Great. Okay, how are you? How are you, Mai?
I am happy.
All right, what's the weather in your place?
It's sunny.
Wow, well, it's great because I can hear you well now. Nice. Okay, if you remember, Mai, last Tuesday, I asked you to make a profile of yourself online, right? Okay, so for tonight, we are going to continue learning. I want you to look at part three. Can you see it clearly? Can you see it clearly,
Yes.
Mai? Okay, look at this one. Look at the underlined verbs in the profiles. So let's go back to the profile of Felicity and Tom. What are the underlined verbs? What are the verbs that are underlined here? Oh, it's the same thing. What are the verbs that are underlined here, Mai? Look, what are the verbs that are underlined here? So we have I'm living. I practice. What about Felicity? We have I'm learning. I love. So all of those we have I'm learning, I'm I practice, I love. So what verb form do Tom and Flick use for their likes and dislikes and things they do regularly? Is it present simple or present continuous? When they state about the things that they like and dislike and the things that they do regularly, what verb form do they use? Present simple or present continuous, Mai? Just like I practice, I love. What is that? Present simple or present continuous? Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai.
Hello, teachers.
Yes. So look at number one. What verb form do Tom and Felicity use to tell about their likes and dislikes and things that they do regularly? Did they use present simple or present continuous, Mai?
I can hear.
Can you hear me? Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai. Can you hear me? Oh, hello, Sarah. Are you there? Hello, Sarah.
Yes.
Can
Hello.
you hear me well?
Yes.
Very good. All right. So, Sarah, tonight, without further ado, we're going to continue learning in exercise 3. Okay, so this is an activity. So, if you remember last Tuesday, we learned about how to make
Hello,
an on.
teacher.
Yes, my. So, we learned how to make an online profile. So, I want you to look at the profiles of Tom and Felicity, Sarah, and Mai. Look at this one. Okay, so there are underlined. What are the underlined words here? Look carefully. What are the underlined words? We have I'm living, I practice, I love, and I'm learning. So look at those one. Now the question is, what verb form did they use for their likes and dislikes and things that they do regularly? Is it present simple or present continuous? What's your answer here?
Yes.
For
I
example, I
don't know.
practice, I love. Is that present simple or present continuous?
Is present continuous?
Oh, nice try. This is actually present simple. PS. That's present simple. Okay. Now, what about here? What verb form did they use for the things that they're doing at the moment? Present simple or present continuous?
Ủa đang học mà mẹ. Ủa đang nói chuyện luôn á.
Yes, my and
Continuous.
share. That's right. So look at this one. So when we say the things that we like and dislike and the things that we do regularly, we use the present simple form of the verb. Now, if we want to say the things that we are doing at the moment, then that is present continuous. All right, Sarah and Mike?
Okay.
All right. So, yes, that is the answer. Now, oh, why is it that I cannot click this one? Oh, here it is. Now, let's move on with part 4. We are done with the what's that? Underlined words. Now, this time, I want you to look at the highlighted adverbs in the profiles. What are the highlighted adverbs? Take note of this one, Sarah and Mai. We have fairly, really, a bit. Those are adverbs. Okay. Then we also have quite and very. Now, I want you to classify those adverbs. Okay. Now, oh, look, classify those adverbs by adding them to the table. So look, which adverbs from their profiles make the adjective weaker. So for example, we have quiet. Now, what about the adverbs that make the adjective stronger? So what are those? We have really. Oh, oh my God. Hold on because this is so messed up. All right, so look, what are the adjectives that makes the what are the adverbs that makes the adjectives
Ừ.
stronger? We have really.
Uh,
Do you follow Mai and Sarah? Can
yes.
you follow? Oh, yes. Okay, now. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with this one. Ah, that's why. It's here now. Okay, so look, when we say adverbs, we use them to say how intense the adjective is. If I say, you're very pretty, then very is used to make the adjective stronger. You're very pretty. But if I say, you're quite pretty, then that is to make the adjective weaker. All right? Now, I want you to look at the profiles. Take note of those adverbs. What are the adverbs that we have here? We have quite. We have very. What else?
Mm, really?
Really. What else?
Mm, a bit.
Very good. And fairly.
Fairly.
Now, where are you going to put really? Is it weaker or does it make the adjective stronger? Really.
Um, I'm a talk sentence. Very
Oh,
really.
you're going to classify it.
I don't understand.
Look at the example. So you can see the
Um,
adverbs quite and very. So if we
okay.
use the adverb quite, this actually makes the adjective weaker. For example, you are quite pretty. Okay, so that means you're not really pretty. You're just a little pretty like that. Okay, because we're using the adverb quite. But if I say you're very pretty, that is actually making the adjective stronger. Does that make sense, Sarah and Mai? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. Now, where are you going to put really? Is it here? Does
In
really make the adjective weaker or does it make the adjective stronger? You're really pretty. You're really loud.
really.
Which one? Stronger or weaker?
Um, is stronger.
Very good. Now, your turn, Mai. What about fairly?
Very
Weaker or stronger?
weaker.
Very good. Now, what about a bit, Sarah?
Um, weak. Where? No, a bit is
Yes,
in weaker.
that's right. Very good. So, what other adjectives do you know? Or what other adverbs do you know?
Um, is oh
What
oh
other adverbs do you know?
adverb uh
Yes.
so much. So much. No. Uh,
If I say extremely, extremely, this is also an adject adverbs. I'm extremely happy today. Is that weaker or stronger?
weaker. I am very weaker.
Weaker? If I say I'm
Yes.
extremely happy, does that make the adjective happy weaker or Stronger.
Stronger.
That is actually stronger. Very good, Sarah. Now, how about two, two. Wait a minute. Extremely. What about this one, too? She's pretty too. Or if I say, oh, you're taking too long to read, like that. Or you're taking too long to dress up. Is that weaker or stronger?
Mm, is strong. Weaker, weaker.
That's actually stronger. I have here two. Now, what about if I say almost?
Mm,
You're
is
almost there.
weaker. Weaker.
Weaker, very good. I almost understand. That is actually weaker. Oh, why do I put weaker here? That's almost. Okay, like what else? If I say nearly, nearly, nearly,
Stronger.
nearly is actually weaker.
Weaker. Okay.
What about um absolutely?
Absolutely is stronger.
That's stronger, very good. So my, do you understand now what are adverbs? Do you understand now what are adverbs, Mai and Sarah?
Okay.
Do you understand? Actually, when we say adverbs, there are many kinds of adverbs. The ones that we are learning tonight is what we call adverbs of degree. To what extent does something happen like that? Or how much does something, how much is something? That's degree. But when we say adverbs of time, then there are actually many. Oh no, adverbs of frequency. We have always, often, sometimes, occasionally. So that's another topic. Okay, so don't be confused with that one. Now, this time, Mai and Sarah, I want you to complete the sentences using adverbs here. Okay, so you are going to make a sentence that is true about yourself. For example, I'm very exhausted today. Now, what about you, Sarah?
Mm, very smart.
Very good. Now, your turn, Mai. Mai, your turn. Hello, Mai. Oh, your turn, Sarah.
He am fairly uh, noisy.
You can say, I'm fairly loud. I'm fairly
Very
noisy.
loudly.
No, you can just say, I'm fairly loud. That's it, period.
I'm very
Okay, now
loudly.
what about here?
Sometimes I'm quite a bit.
What do you mean quite? That's different. Sometimes I'm quite
Sometimes I quite Sometimes I quite laughing.
You're quite loving. Very good. Now, Mai, are you still there? Now it's your turn, Mai. My friends say I'm. Oh, I think Mai's internet is unstable again. Oh, your turn, Sarah.
Okay. My friends say I'm funny.
Very good. Then lastly, what about the last one, Sarah?
Mm, I think I can be a bit quiet. Quiet.
Quiet. Quiet. That is quiet.
Quiet.
Very good. Okay, now your turn, Mai. I want you to complete the sentences from 1 to 5 that are true to yourself. Are you ready, Mai? Are you ready, Mai? Oh, anyway, I think Mai is not there. So this time, Sarah, I want you to make notes for your online profile. I want you to use the ideas below to help you.
Mm, I my name is Sarah. I am 10 years old. I have in my family there are 5 people. It's my dad, my mom, my 2 brother, and me. I would like um I had a long hair and I was very tall. I have a dog. My hobby is swimming and sometimes I draw. I always learning English and math.
Very good. So I always learn English and math. Nice, Sarah. So thank you so much for sharing your online profile, Sarah. Okay, so here, Sarah, as you can see in exercise 7, okay, so these are actually some tips on how to make an online profile. Oh, hold on, this one. So how can we write an effective online profile? So first, we have to make a plan. Then use the phrases that we learned from this box. Second, we use adverbs to make the adjective stronger and weaker. So again, Sarah, what are the adverbs that we learned tonight? We have
We have um is uh talk about myself
oh,
and
the adverbs that we learned. We have quite, very, what else?
by very really very a bit
That's
okay.
right. Okay, then of course you write about 80 words for your online profile. Then don't forget to check your spelling and grammar. Okay, so those are the tips on how to write your online profile. Do you have any questions, Sarah and Mai?
Nope.
No. Did you learn something tonight, Sarah?
Yes.
What did you learn about?
Learn about adverb is very really a bit fairly.
Yes, that's right. So anyway, since it's already time, Sarah and Mai, so we will just end here. Then of course, don't forget to join the
Hello,
class on
teacher.
time next time. Goodbye, Sarah and Mai.
Hello. Goodbye.
Hi, Magic. Please join again.